You good, Dina?
Perfect.
Strange. No, I think it's fine.
We don't know how to castle, but we'll figure
Good
it
luck.
Yeah.
out.
An honor.
Okay. I'm gonna wait for.
Yeah.
Dina, you can make your first move whenever.
I haven't started yet.
You can. We can all start at the same time.
Do you know how
You're just letting your time run for no reason.
No, I'm letting my time
Yeah.
run to see what Dina's first move is, so I can maybe copy her.
Smart.
Oh, really?
Yes. So Dina, please decide a move because I feel
Alex.
like you're gonna figure this out. Just. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Dina, any ideas?
Yeah, thoughts?
You know what? I'll do my own thinking, ladies.
Okay.
Or did you not know the claw?
Well,
You're good.
I mean, honestly,
whatever happens, happens.
this is a healthy thing.
Thinking for yourself?
Good idea.
The position is pretty healthy.
Let's see.
You got the king. Oh, that's why he said it's wrong. Because the king and the queen are on the standard
Yes.
spots.
Oh man. I'm already scared.
Don't worry, we have Dina.
Yeah, that will be...
Dina's the biggest Oh, sorry, it's your turn.
Oh.
Well, we're not playing against
Oh.
Danya.
True. Danya was terrifying. But you got a draw there, so that was good.
Yeah.
Wait,
Wait,
you
you
were
were
regretting
copying
my
me?
pawn side actions
You're
here.
playing good moves. You're all playing good moves. So,
That's the
What am I
first.
gonna do with this bishop though?
copying all of you.
This is weird.
Okay.
Wow, I'm up on time. That's fun.
Let's do
I'm
this.
terrified.
It's okay.
Jules, you've been training. You should have more
For
confidence
freestyle.
in your chess.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's see what's going on here. You know what? Can't hurt to fianchetto, if that's even a thing in this position. Oh.
He did the same thing. He made
Oh.
this. He's creating the same plan on all boards, which is clever, except Dina, who did not let him. So she's actually gonna make him think a little more there, which is good.
Okay. Do I block myself in? I don't particularly want to. Let's see. Takes over.
What are you gonna do with this gentleman?
Okay, well. It's not. My fianchetto was ruined.
It's okay, Jules. You're gonna lose anyway.
It's true, but I would rather lose in like a very like nice, elegant fashion where the comments are like, "Wow, she did great."
You are doing great. Your position's good.
What you wanna do?
Okay, I think that's a good idea. Dina, are you feeling confident?
Actually, I don't know. Okay, I'll do this. Control the center, control the game,
Yes.
as they say.
Russian School of Chess?
Openings will not make you a better chess player. What will? A complete training program that will teach you how to use your brain and come up with a move in any unknown position. Because this is Russian Chess School. Don't forget to put the like and subscribe if you want to get better at chess.
Thank you.
Once I see one of you guys castle, then I'll know how it's done.
Come on, Jules. You've been at this event 3 times. You still don't know how to castle?
Do you know how to castle this
Dina, you're
person?
trash talking our team.
This is our
Please
team.
focus your trash talk.
I'm just like slightly intimidated by this gentleman over here.
Yeah.
It's like weird. Probably the only no, there is also Hikaru.
Yes, that's true.
Is Hikaru your friend, Magnus?
No, we're on good terms.
Is that because you both retired from competitive chess?
Well, hard-hitting comments.
Yeah, I was hoping that one wouldn't happen.
I'll pick this.
Alex!
I always panic in these 3v1s. And
Oh
I'm always the
my
weakest.
god, Alexandra! This ain't Botez Gambit shit. This is freestyle. What
I
are
have
you
to
doing?
put my promotion in there when I can, Dina. For what it's worth, I'm still gonna fight.
All right.
Yeah.
Good luck.
This is. I've had.
Do you guys
worse.
know if I can legally am I allowed to ask if I can legally
Yes,
castle?
you can castle. Just
Okay,
okay,
okay.
King there. You got that. You're not down a queen, so it's okay.
That is better than.
Bro, you got 7 minutes on your clock. Where are you rushing?
I want to get out of here.
Can you take her let the lady take her move back, please?
That's not how it works.
Magnus is on a schedule, Dina. He's trying to win as quickly as he can.
I see the issue in this position. Not a big
I'm
fan.
thinking.
It's trickier than it looks.
Whew. Wow.
No, it's not.
Wow.
My position is the worst again.
This is rough. Okay.
I need to let him not finish me off, so at least okay. We can't all be thinking that's like triple stalling in Bughouse.
Yeah.
Okay. Thinking.
Oh, thank you. You like that? I appreciate it.
That's
Hey, don't attack my pawns like that.
that's an issue. Okay, whatever. I have no options.
Okay, so my position is resignable. I'm just gonna keep it as
Stall
a
it.
distraction. Yep.
Stall.
But he's doing the technique where he's moving quickly and it's making Jules move quickly.
Well, this is all forced, yeah?
Yes, so far.
Ah!
Guys, keep it up.
Okay. I mean,
this one.
Okay, Dina, you're basically the last beacon standing. He beats you, and
Right.
we're all down.
I'm gonna go for the old Checkorama here.
Yes, go for the.
Yeah. Okay. You know,
You could put up a fight here.
we're
It's actually.
Jules, calculate. You got this.
okay. 6 minutes of calculation.
It's actually fair. But it wasn't that easy.
A5? Really? If you insist.
Nice, putting up a fight.
We're fighting.
Against the 1200, you would destroy with this position, even down a rook.
Yeah, we don't need a
You
rook.
would
It's
come back.
purposeful, actually. It
You'd
was
at
a
least get a
sacrifice. Yeah. That's not.
I am so ready to be done with this. Dina,
Don't worry, I got you.
you got
Just go
at
over
least
there.
a draw on your side.
Don't worry, I'll beat you.
Okay, if you say so.
Oh,
You're making the same mistake playing quick moves.
That's fair. But I don't think there's any more mistakes left to be made in this game.
Okay.
All right, Dina, your two fellow soldiers are down.
This is a struggle. Yeah.
Will our sacrifices be in vain, or will you pull something off here?
And.
Dina is really locked in. Are you good, Dina?
perfect. I'm pretty sure I'm better here.
Can I get you a coffee, Dina? Because I'm not really helpful for
Can
anything
you please
else.
shut up?
Yep.
Oh man. Okay.
Okay, this is annoying.
Right. Makes sense. Okay.
Oh, I got it. I'll do this. Castle, Jules. Just special.
There's
for
no
you.
castle. Where am I supposed to castle?
Okay, so Jules and I are dead.
We're dead in the water. Yeah. I'll just quickly die.
Should you quickly die, or should we just run the clock? Obviously, if he beats Dina, we'll resign. But otherwise, like, it's at least in his periphery, and he has to pay attention to it.
Is that the strategy?
That is a strat. If you have a better one,
you are the
if you have
leader.
a better strategy, suggest it, and I'm open to it. Because I have no more pieces.
Wow, you really have.
I know. It's early in the morning. My brain is not on yet. This is very difficult.
I'm not loving what is going on here. I'm not gonna lie.
Okay.
There.
Dina has 3 minutes on the clock. What would you evaluate Dina's position at?
Honestly.
Slap a bit for black. Not a big deal.
Okay, so
So Dina is the last
Yeah.
speaking. Yeah.
she's standing. Okay, let's see.
Okay, actually, Jules, I think the idea is we let Dina have a chance. If she somehow gets Magnus in a blitz, then we make moves trying to flag him.
Okay, so we wait.
So, actually, I guess you can keep making moves because you're not lost yet.
It could happen very
I'm
quickly.
basically lost, so I'll try that strat.
It could happen very quickly.
Even though he's gonna have more time than Dina, so not even that is gonna work. Okay, so it's basically just Dina. But you can keep fighting.
But fighting for what? Yeah.
Well, fighting for perpetual that he makes the biggest blunder of his life.
Is
It's
perpetually
for this-
legally?
legally possible?
Yeah.
I mean,
Okay, so I move.
yeah,
Okay.
I would just try anyway.
Okay.
Actually, you can try stuff there at least.
I could be running. Yeah.
Or
But I'm probably gonna get mated if I.
attacking things maybe.
I'll know if I'll get mated very quickly,
Sorry.
It's a good attempt.
which I think is like now.
Go for
Basically.
it.
So the mate is in 3, I'm pretty sure. So
That's
Thoughts?
correct.
Yep. I think we just let him finish off Dina.
okay.
Hey, he ain't gonna finish anything.
Dina, I've never seen you so quiet. But I respect it because you're the only one who put up a good fight.
Dina, you are our last beacon, our last hope. It's like we're on an alien spaceship and we have died and you're the last one who can save Earth.
I will still sacrifice my body for Dina at some point.
Oh boy.
Dina, this is not a good sign. You're putting. I mean,
I got
okay,
it. Don't worry.
Is he napping?
Yes, he is. And Dina's still thinking.
Okay.
Dina made a move.
It's okay. He's got time. he's busy. I like it, Bishop. Very good.
Yeah. it's
Russian
nice.
style. You know Russian chessco?
Yeah, I mean it protects good pawns.
Yeah. This is called the barrier, you know? It's when your pieces are all bad.
Dina, you have a minute and a half.
Don't worry.
He doesn't even have time for another nap.
Don't worry, darling. I got it. I got it, sweetheart.
That is terrifying.
I got it, sweetheart.
Still better than
Yeah.
the other
sorry.
positions.
Yeah.
Oh, my terrible bishop.
Shh. Shh. Shh.
I'm like too embarrassed to make moves on this one. Yes, take the rook. It's okay. Okay. Whatever. I resign this one. It's not. We can't even do that. Dina has a minute. Okay, these
I
ones are
resign
resigned.
this one.
Dina's the last beacon. She's the last one. She has a minute. Dina,
Alright,
if
Dina.
you win this,
Aha! Yes, sir.
I'll give you the nicest present ever.
Would you?
Yeah.
Whoa. He's got a cheek. Shit! Damn it. Oh my god! I know what he's trying to do. No, not the tactic, bro!
Okay, Dina.
I think.
I think it's time to call it.
You think so?
I think it's the end of the road.
I mean, you have 20 seconds. You could.
But there isn't a cry, right?
There's no increment.
There's.
Oh, there is?
Let's just agree that I was better out of the opening.
Yeah, you were.
See? That's the
we
victory.
take little.
Wait, are you
victories.
sure there's victory, Dina? Sorry, a delay?
I mean,
Because if not, then you're just gonna get flagged.
yeah. That's okay. Let's see his conversion skills. Yeah. Who knows? Oh, there is no. Are you going after that pawn? You that pawn? That little thing? Oh, why don't you take the pawn? I think you should have taken the pawn. No?
You want to checkmate? You think you're gonna checkmate me? Do
I
you
think
even
he's
know
gonna
who I
flag
am?
you, Dina.
I am the granddaughter of Mikhail Tal, okay?
He wasn't Russian.
Oh, he's a Jew, and I'm a Jew. Do you like Jews?
I have no opinions either way.
You can cut that.
Good effort, Dina. Good effort. I don't know what to...
Wait, I have 6 seconds. That's a lot. Wait, you okay? You still want to do the checkmate? Oh no! I lost on time. Such a
Oh, wow.
pity.
Good
You played
games.
well.
Good
Thank you
Thank
for the
you.
games.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, you're free.
Thank you.
Freedom is yours.
Good luck.
Thank you.
I was better out of the opening.
Yeah, you were.
Stop wasting your time with random opening traps. They don't make you a better chess player. What does? One-on-one guidance, group classes, and a complete training program designed specifically to your level. Try my Russian chess school for free for 7 days and see for yourself.